as a video. Record like me doing it the whole time.
That fucking thing.
One of these lug nuts are strip, so you will have to definitely get that one replaced.
Watch your tailgate when you close that. Don't want you to hit it on it.
I'm not doing shit until that thing's out of there.
So other than this, how's your night?
Not bad, man. Not bad.
That's good. That's good.
Don't tell my insurance that I drive Uber, and it was my last passenger. She was like, "Hey, there's something wrong with your tire." I'm like, "Fuck."
I ain't worried about it.
I mean, it's so, with kids, man, it's so fucking hard to find part-time jobs.
I can imagine.
Well, we want unlimited availability. The kid comes first.
That's why we do roadside. We own the country. He owns it, so we can, pretty much just be flexible. If you have 2 kids.
It's fucking impossible to find. I mean,
Yeah,
quality
it is.
work and the work that you can do, you got to find fucking cold and in the night and shit.